We're taking a live look. I-75 down in Estero from the France Eye Care camera. Got a little bit of overcast here this morning. That should burn off, I think, by about midday. And you're looking at more of that sunshine as the day goes on here. But temperatures on the warmer side here this morning compared to where we were yesterday. Yesterday, we were about 10, 15 degrees cooler than right now. But it's still sitting in the 40s in Charlotte County and DeSoto County, 50s the rest of us. We do, again, have that overcast with us here this morning, and even a couple little showers trying to pop up south of the lake. But I'm not really looking at this as a major concern for an all-day cloudy day. It's really just going to be through about 10 o'clock and then building sunshine into the afternoon as temperatures climb up into the upper 60s and low 70s. So seasonably cool, but still a beautiful day, I think, this afternoon for us. Enjoy it, because all the changes starting tonight into tomorrow. But still tonight, 54 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. And then look at the weekend here for you. Saturday morning, that cold front arrives with some showers, then becoming very windy behind it. And that wind could help kick up some coastal showers and maybe a few flurries. We'll see Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then Sunday is just going to be bitterly cold for especially this time of year. But we are looking at this cold front moving on in tomorrow morning, all part of this big nor'easter forming across the deep south and the Carolinas. And as that moves on through, and again, we'll be tracking those showers associated with that, I think arriving about 6 o'clock in the morning, maybe 7 o'clock. And you can see them rather scattered in nature. And then most of that should be done by about 1, 2 o'clock. And then there's those coastal showers. And what we'll be watching with this is those strong winds over the Gulf and interacting with the milder Gulf temperatures. They're still in the mid-50s, and the cold air aloft. And that gives us that moisture element to spark those showers. And as temperatures drop, that could spark a few flurries near the coastline. I'm stopping in here at 4 o'clock in the morning. This particular run has them right near Charlotte Harbor in the early morning hours. We'll see if that happens. It could be a little bit of mix of some grapple in there, some ice pellets, but we'll see how this kind of plays out. But I do expect, no matter what, it will be very windy behind that frontal boundary, gusting upwards of 25 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. And then 35 to maybe 40-mile-an-hour gusts up near the coastline. That's why we do have a gale watch for our coastal areas. You could see waves 10 to 15 feet due to that wind, and that wind bringing in that cold air. Look at the actual air temperatures, 20s and 30s all the way down into Collier County. And then look at the wind chills. That's where it really gets you into the teens out towards Glades and Hendry County, in the 20s in Fort Myers for us. And that's why we do have a freeze watch for our inland areas, plus extreme cold watch for wind chills in the teens, Glades, Henry, inland Charlotte, and DeSoto County. So again, very, very cold Saturday evening into Sunday, and looks like even Sunday night into Monday could be just as cold there, 33 degrees. They'll back into the 70s as we get towards your Wednesday and Thursday of next